Hey everybody, it's Holly from Visit Brainerd, and today I'm at Jack's house, the bowling alley right here in Brainerd. And we're here before hours, before you guys are open. So it's quiet in here, and that's super weird for me. I'm here with Ginger Almer, who is the owner-operator.
Mm-hmm.
How long have you been here doing this?
Since 2003 we opened.
It's a lot of bowling.
Yeah. Been a while.
Well, I wanted to get together and talk to you about all of the things that happen here at Jack's house. And I wanted to showcase it to all of you guys because I want you guys to understand that this is way more than just a bowling alley.
Definitely.
I had to make a list because there's so many things that happen here. And I think that we just need to remind people of all of the opportunities that we have here. Should I just go from my list? We're just
Sure.
going to go start talking about
That'll
stuff?
work.
Okay. First of all, how many staff do you have here?
Not enough. It's been tough,
Of
but
course.
we usually run with about 14.
Okay, and what are your hours? And do they change seasonally?
In the summertime, we have less hours. We're closed on Sundays and Mondays, and then we're open Tuesdays through Saturdays. We open at 11 o'clock every morning, except Thursdays. We don't open till 3. And
You have all of the hours and stuff right on your website, and
Yep.
the reason I'm asking that, or that I wanted to talk about it, is just because there are some variables out there. And if you're just unsure, just check the website or give you guys a call and check
Yep.
in to see what is available. Like, you guys do so many leagues
Mhm.
out here, and also not just bowling league. You guys have a sand volleyball court out
we
here
have
as
sand
well.
volleyball, and we do a beanbag league on Tuesdays.
See, didn't even know about that.
Yep. We just started that during COVID when we were trying to drum up business.
Where do you do that?
We do it in front of the building.
Outside?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, that's kind of cool.
It's a lot of fun. We were overflowing last year, so
Okay,
if
and
you're
then,
interested in that, you want to call and get your spot signed up.
so when they call in, do they have to like have a team already set, or can it be one single person who just wants to play?
No, it can be individuals too.
They
and
can
we
come in
find
and
them a team.
Sure, you can just place them somewhere where they're
Same with
needed.
bowling leagues. We have a summer league that we do on Wednesday nights. It's a 3-person 9-pin no tap league, which is and it's a lot of fun and it's very relaxed. You can pre-bowl, you can post bowl if you can't make it that
Talk
time.
about 9 pin. I understand that there's 9 pins, but
That's if you get 9 pins down, it's an automatic strike.
okay,
So
it's
you
actually
get
10 pins.
better scores.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So kind of cool.
Yeah. And we do have a kids bowling program too in the
Mhm.
summer. We just started. It's called Kids Bowl Free. If you go to the website www.kidsbowlfree.com/Jack's you can sign up.
I was very surprised at the age requirements, not even requirements, the age ability that you guys have here for teaching kids how to bowl.
Yeah.
Kindergarten,
Mm-hmm.
you start them at kindergarten.
Oh yeah.
Up to
Some
12th
even
grade.
younger. They just have to be able to carry their ball.
Oh my God, I bet that's so cute.
It is. It's adorable. Yeah. There's no other sport in the world where you can play from 2 years old to 82 years old, and everybody
Absolutely.
still has a chance to win.
I love that idea. I mean,
Yeah.
it is seriously a lifelong thing.
Yep,
that you can
lifelong
be
thing
doing.
and a family-oriented activity.
How do you teach a kindergartner how to bowl? Like, what is the process?
Kindergartners are tough. The biggest thing is getting them to be able to throw the ball. A lot of times we'll start with the granny shot
Sure,
when they're that young.
just to
But-
get them used to the
But
process.
it's amazing the youth bowlers how good they do when they start getting the training.
I bet.
Yeah.
I'm sure they could smoke me out there for sure.
Yeah.
I just never was a bowler. I was never really introduced to it.
Yeah.
But I actually took a college class in bowling, and I
There's a
learned
lot of
ton.
college scholarships out there in bowling.
It was amazing.
And we have a great high school bowling team and a
Okay.
great youth program. So
And do they come out here often? And is there tournaments and that sort of thing that they
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
participate in? Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Very, very cool. Love it. I just think a little kindergartner bowling is great. Okay, you guys also have space on the back side of the building over here. I guess it's parking lot side. That is large and can be
Yes.
utilized for all sorts of different parties.
yep, we have weddings and all kinds of activities that they can rent the banquet rooms out. They seat up to 350 people.
350 people back
Yep.
there. And it can be set up however they want.
Mhm.
You guys can help out with that.
Yep.
What do they do about catering? Can you bring food in, or you? Because I know you guys have a restaurant on site.
Yep, we have a food license, so we provide all
You
the
do the
food
catering
and
or
order
the
it through
food.
us. Yes.
Okay. You guys are kind of known for your pizza out here.
Yeah.
The pizza's good, you guys. Get over here and get the pizza. It's good stuff. Let's talk about some of the fundraising. You guys host a large one annually. You want to talk about that?
We do the Bethany Bowl-a-thon,
Mhm.
and
Big deal.
big deal, big community activity. Haven't had it, of course, the last 2 years, but hopefully that'll be coming back. And we do a lot of small ones. We also have, if you just want to purchase punch cards for game bowling, you can purchase them and sell them for whatever you want to, and everybody wins. You get money, we discount the bowling for you, and then they pay the same price that they'd pay if they came in by themselves. So it's an easy fundraiser.
And it can be used for anything.
Yeah.
Anything that you are fundraising for, they can come out here, talk to you guys, get set up with whatever it is that they want to do.
Yep.
How cool is that?
Yeah, or they can set up an evening where everybody comes at one time and do their fundraiser that way.
Okay. I don't think a lot of people know that. I think
I don't know.
I think it's cool that we're telling them about it.
Yeah.
Let's see here. We already talked a little bit about the youth programs. And then you want to talk a little bit more about the grill that you've got on site?
We have a restaurant here. It's called Shirley's Classic Grill, and it's got really good food. It's all homemade stuff. Burgers, sandwiches, pastas.
Open to the public?
Open to the public all the time. Yep.
Okay, so anybody can just
Yeah,
come
we're
in.
on DoorDash also, so and we have good pizza
Okay. I have a super
and a full bar.
I have a super random question for you. And I thought about this on the drive over here. Why, and maybe you don't know, why do bowling shoes look the way that they do? And it's kind of funny, like when you come in through the hallway here, you guys have posters on the wall and
Yep.
stuff, and you can get bowling shoes that look like normal tennis shoes now. But
Mhm.
why, back in the day, were they the clown shoe looking? Do you have any idea?
I have no idea.
I think that is a
I
fun
think
fact
they
we need to
made them
figure out.
ugly so that people wouldn't steal them.
I mean, it's just a little bizarre.
Yeah.
It's a little strange. Do you want to tell me how many lanes you have here?
We have 24 lanes. All the lanes have bumpers. We are in the process of getting ready for a bit of a remodel. We're recarpeting and retiling the floors, so we're excited about that. We'll be closed for a week and a half in May, and then a whole new look.
Okay.
And a few other things that are coming down the pike as far as something changing. So
secrets.
Yeah.
Secrets right now, but more fun stuff to come.
Yep.
Okay. Well, that's exciting.
Yeah.
Do you guys do like nighttime bowling with fun lights and stuff like that?
Yep.
Or-
We have our Jackpot Bowling on Saturday nights. You can win money. Yay! Everybody likes to win money.
Everybody likes to win money.
Yep, and it's colored pin. It goes from 9 till midnight, and you need to call to make a reservation, but they have a ball with that.
Okay. What are the costs? Do you have different rates for bowling? What does it depend on?
It depends upon the time of day. It's a little less
Okay.
expensive to bowl during the day on a weekday than it is on an evening or a weekend.
Makes sense.
We have $2 bowling on Thursday nights, so that's usually gets pretty full. But yeah, it's a lot of fun. We have a fun pack, which is $49.99 for 2 hours, 5 pairs of shoes, and a pitcher of soda anytime.
I mean, it sounds like a pretty cool way to spend an evening.
Yeah.
Or just some time out with
Date
friends.
night or
family.
whatever.
Yeah.
It may be.
There's always a good reason to go bowling, right?
Yeah, always.
Okay, well there you guys go. That is one more way of how you can love Brainerd like a local. We're going to see you at Jack's house. Don't forget your bowling shoes.